Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids class name red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring ABC. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. The alphabets of A. B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. And again use red color. Kids again use red color and draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. And again use red color. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use yellow color. The alphabets of E. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids again use yellow color and draw G. G for goat, G for glass. The alphabets of G. Kids now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. And use blue color. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids again use blue color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. Kids now draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. The alphabets of L. And use black color. M. M for moon, M for mango. The alphabets of M. N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. It's neither O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use green color. The alphabets of O. Kids again use green color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. The alphabets of Q. Kids again use green color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice, and again use green color. Kids now draw S. S for sun, S for snake, and use white color. The alphabets of S. Kids again use white color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. The alphabets of U. Kids now draw V. V for van, V for vanilla, the alphabets of V. And use red color, W, W for violet, W for watch. Kids, again use red color and draw X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. Kids, night Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, the alphabets of Y. And use yellow color, Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. And again use yellow color. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.